Hello kids, try to learn some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Purple color, yellow color, white color, pink color, sky blue color, orange color, blue color, green color, brown color, black color, light green color, red color. Purple color, number 1, number 1. Pink color, number 2, number 2. Light green color, number 3, number 3. Brown color, number 4, number 4. Sky blue color, number 5, number 5. Blue color, number 6, number 6. Green color, number 7, number 7. Purple color, number 8, number 8. Pink color, number 9, number 9. Light green color, number 10, number 10. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10.